we'll guide you through how to adjust margins in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you'd like to adjust the margins. Once your document is open, go to the top of the page and click on the File menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Page Setup. A new window will pop up with various options for customizing your document. You'll see 4 boxes labeled Top, Bottom, Left, and Right. These are your margin settings. You can use these boxes to enter the desired margin size in inches. For example, if you want a 1-inch margin all around, simply type 1 in each box. After adjusting the numbers, click OK at the bottom of the window to apply the changes. If you need these margins for future documents, you can click on Set as Default before hitting OK, and this will make your current settings the default for all new documents. This is particularly useful if you have specific formatting requirements for work or school. Remember, adjusting margins can affect your document layout, so make sure everything aligns properly before finalizing your document. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the margins in your Google Doc. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.